Why does your mask smell like my feet? Pick up some Mask Bright today.
Hello, Pepper people. We gotta be quiet, Slim's here. Today we're doing a good old-fashioned unboxing videos. It's what YouTube is meant for. Got a cat? We got unboxing. I just open a box and somehow this is compelling content. Now I gotta confess, I already know what's in the box. It's a Luna 2 Auto CPAP. I am very excited because I want there to be more APAPs, CPAPs, data-capable CPAP machines, especially if we can get them compatible with Oscar or a program like Sleep HQ, so that we can use it to view our own PAP therapy. It's gonna improve our outcomes overall, so I'm really looking forward to it. Let's go ahead and dive in the box. Slim, prepare to be dazzled and amazed, buddy. Dazzled and amazed. Oh, great. You know what? You've never had an interest in any of my stuff. Very exciting. Let's go ahead and plunge the scissors into the side of this. Now, I've never actually seen a Luna 2 machine, so I'm kind of curious what this thing looks like, especially since I'll be using it. I think we can all agree that this is a lovely carrying case. Definitely carrying case material. And first thing I want to do almost is look for an SD card slot. So very nicely padded. A lot of padding, that's good. We have the power cord. We have some fresh tubing. Looks like we have a nice little filter. Very good. All crap that really should come with the machine, so that's nice. Now this is always helpful. I always like this stuff. When they actually put in here, like, hey, mask goes here, tube goes here, machine goes here with a picture of how it should be configured. We have another hidey hole here. This is the power supply. Good. Didn't see that before. I was a little worried. And now this is totally wrapped up. And if this were my mom opening this machine, she would just go ahead and leave this wrapped up for the entire life cycle of this machine. She still has the plastic wrap on the oven and the microwave. Must be a thing. Looks like an attractive machine. I mean, it's just obviously the appearance, but this thing is going to be sitting in your room. So that it doesn't look like absolute hell is actually nice. Let's go ahead and take off that protective coating. Now we have a little bit of what appears to be piano black. Yep. So that shows fingerprints all day. Don't really anticipate touching that. So honestly, kind of don't really care. Now, what have we here? What have we here? We have an SD card slot. Beautiful. That makes me extra happy. Ooh, they didn't skimp out either. We got a 16 gig. Now I'm gonna be using this thing for several nights. I'm gonna see if we can check out the Oscar team, see if we can maybe get this thing compatible with Oscar. That would be awesome. I would really, really like that. Right here on this corner, it looks like we have the air intake, which is kind of funky. I've never seen one like this. It's at an angle. Looks like that's where you put the filter. So we have an extra filter over here in this bag. And then that is where the main filter goes, and it looks like it just snaps back into place. So it also looks like there's no option for a heated tube. This is just a standard tubing plug-in. No heated tubing on this one. And let's check out this humidifier tank. So this is often an issue with people. So slides out pretty easy, and it looks like we have to flip this side. This actually seems very much like the ResMed AirSense 10 Auto, in my opinion. We have like the rubber gasket or silicone gasket up here. That's kind of the way the tank is. Looks like there might be an issue with getting all the water out, as there is a ridge around all of this. So, and slides right back into the machine. Let's go ahead and power this baby on and see how loud it is. Right now is a phenomenal time to mention that this machine was supplied to me by CPAPsupplies.com. They are the sponsor of this channel. I really appreciate all that they do for this channel. They send me machines, they send me masks, they pretty much send me whatever I ask for to do reviews of, and they're cool with me doing honest reviews. I cannot thank them enough for that and the support of this channel. So anytime you guys get an opportunity to throw business their way, either buying masks or machines, really, really urge you to do so, because you are directly helping this channel out every time you support CPAPsupplies.com. What CPAP Supplies also does, they give you a discount code. Every time you use Lefty20 on any purchase, with the exception of machines, you get 20% off your order. They also have a lot of discounts on the homepage of their website, so make full use of those. Mask, 30-day mask guarantee. You can return it if you don't like the sizing or you just don't like the mask, get store credit, get something else that you do like. They make it easy. and they don't stifle my creativity. They're cool with me just showing their stuff, mentioning their name. CPAPsupplies.com. So really, really do thank the sponsor of this video. All right, let's check this thing out. Looks like it's just a pressure of 4, not real impressive, but from what I can tell, it's really, really quiet. I'm gonna go ahead and check out a lot of the settings on this, but as of right now, it seems like a beautiful machine. I'm really excited to try the Luna 2 by 3B. I actually have 3 of their masks I'm gonna try out with it, just see what I think of it, and hopefully I have good news to report to you guys. We'll get into some of the settings later. I'll really kind of investigate it and talk to you about the algorithm, whatever I can find out about it. Other than that, that's been another successful YouTube unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey, at this time, please like and subscribe. Thank you to the Patreon supporters as well as the YouTube members. Check the comment section down below in the description box for helpful links. And I appreciate you watching. Take care. Bye.
Thank you to all watching, but an extra thick thanks, buddy, to Doug Toombs, Jason Georgiades, Patricia Espelong, Sarvesh Joshi, Stuart Hetherington, Mona Swearingen, Chungchu Chen, and Edward Steiner, as well as a big thank you to all my other Patreon supporters and YouTube members. Little tiny thanks, buddy, for you guys.